Hello, Kawaii friends. How are you? How are you today? I'm feeling so powerful as always. I have to spread my energy everywhere. I'm in this park with my kawaii Sunny, as always. And we are going to have another Weibo adventure. Where are we going? We are going to a store, and I saw ink inside the store, and I want to try it out. So I think I will need some brushes, but I have so many brushes with me, so I don't know. I may buy just this ink because I'm very curious about the quality of this ink, which is a Chinese ink, but it's Indian at the same time. That's a big Weibo. So since I like the Weibos, I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna test it. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I will use a nib and an empty brush pen. With the nib, I will do a traditional outline, and then later I will paint with the brush pen. Since I also want to achieve great tones with this black ink, I also prepare a glass with water and to ensure that the black dilutes a lot until I get the tones I like the best, and to possibly add more layers later. Using the nib the right way is not easy as it seems. It requires a lot of precision and to really focus on all you are doing. Strokes must be precise and fast. Another thing I must say about this tool is that the more you press and the more the thread becomes bigger. The lines can become very thick or very thin. It depends on the pressure. This is something that's mostly used for calligraphy, but who cares? I do care, so I think this is perfect for drawing too. Talking about this Chinese ink, I'm noticing that it gets dry very fast, so it's not like using watercolors, and this is honestly perfect to me, so I don't have to wait until the color gets dry. Of course, we can use many ways to let the watercolor get dry very fast, like for example the hair dryer, or I don't know what way you use, but this is one of my tricks to make the process faster. But anyways, I don't have this issue with this ink, so it's really perfect to me. As you can see, we can use many techniques. We can cross the lines, you can even draw very straight lines, but it doesn't matter. You're free to do whatever you want as long as you're happy with what you do. The reason why I've chosen this reference image is because it reminds me of the manga style, which I love so much because you know that I love to draw anime and manga character, but at the same time it's something like sci-fi and fantasy, so it's a mix of many views I love so much. Okay, I'm almost done with the outline, and now I'm gonna show you the coloring process, the painting process, which is inking still, and I'm gonna use this brush pen. This is another thing I want to show you. Since my reference image was in colors and I want to paint it in black and white, I've used a program which is Picasa to turn my colored reference into black and white, so I can follow better the shadows and the lights. And you are free to use any program. I think there are many programs you can upload, apps you can upload in your cell phone to convert your colored photos in black and white, so you will be able to follow the reference even better this way. Anyways, let me know what do you think about this technique and if you ever used this technique before, and of course feel free to ask me some questions about it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you soon with my next drawings. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe, and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. Take care of yourself. Ciao and meow.